What's up, guys? So check it out. Magbak has officially released their 2024 Model 3 wireless chargers for your screen to mount to the screen. So we've got that right here. And I did notice that it comes with an extension cable. So once we get this thing installed on my brand new 2024 Model 3 Performance, this is my very first mod. So guys, what's the first mod you should do? You get one of these. I can't tell you how freaking awesome this is and how strong the magnetic function is as well. If you haven't seen already in our previous video, they did release a new Elite case. So this Elite case is pretty neat because it has some additional features. I've already switched these out. It typically comes black, as you can see on this case here. This is your default. They do make a white one as well, but this is default, all black. But so that I can keep my office one separate from my personal one, I have customized this one. So I've only changed a few of the components on it. You can change the magnets to be red. You can change this to be red as well. You can change all of these pieces to be red as well. But this thing is really neat because, check it out, it's got a kickstand, right? So it'll hold itself up. Pretty neat, right? Then it's also got a finger loop. So this is really cool. So you can just pull that out and you got yourself a finger loop. So these are some of the new features with the Elite case. You guys should check that out. These things make great stocking stuffers in the event that you can get some of these. Order it right away. I don't know if it'll get to you in time, but I got my stuff within like a day or two. So you can always message them, see if they can get it to you guys fast enough, because these are my favorite cases. I can't tell you how much I love these cases. Now don't forget, we do have a coupon code ZEV15. That is ZEV15. Use that code, get 15% off. It helps you, it helps us. And then let's get into the good stuff. So here is the wireless mount. I'm going to open this up and see exactly what might have changed and what's included. So we've got here, we've got the wireless charger. This will attach to your screen. Cigarette lighter adapter. All right. And then, like I said, it has an extension here. So I did not receive one of these. It wasn't needed on my 2020 Model 3 Performance, but with the 2024, it looks like it does come with an extension. And I'll tell you, check this out. This is how darn strong this thing is. So look at this thing. This is so nuts. This is what I love about it. It's so strong. It's so strong. It's so good. And then, you know, another cool thing. Look at that. So strong. And then again, over here, look, the alignment rack. Boom. Super strong. Boom. Super strong. I love, these things are so awesome. But anyways, let's go ahead. Let's get this thing installed on the screen in my brand new 2024 Model 3 Performance in Stealth Gray. I'm super excited. My very first mod. It's not suspension, it's not wheels, but this makes my life so convenient. So I highly recommend it. Oh, look. So it looks like this is what they changed. They must have put an adapter in here to fit the thinner screen on the 2024 Highland Model 3. So that's pretty cool. And then you get this extension. But yeah, let's get this thing stuck to my screen and show you guys exactly where we run these wires. Let's go. All right, guys. So it's installed. I'll show you guys how we kind of routed the wire real quickly. We did a little bit different than Magbak, but it's really up to you. But yeah, check that out. Isn't that freaking awesome? Super sweet. You can do that. You can do this, which I love. So it's really strong too. So I just think this is so cool. But yeah, it's installed. One of my favorite accessories. I'll call it a mod, but it's an accessory. Anyways, what we did was we ran the wire right here. It's running underneath. It's going back underneath the dash, just like in their install video. Then we run it just like they do, all the way down, essentially against this wall here down under the floor. It won't tuck under here like it used to in the older generations. But yeah, we run it along the floor all the way to the back, and then right here, we'll bring it up into the armrest USB-C port, which is right here. Now, Magbak actually puts it into the USB-C port back here, but if you have rear seat passengers, kids, whatever, I worry that they may kick it, and so I'd rather just run it into here. The USB-C extension cable is long enough for you to run it into the center armrest, just like we used to do on the older platform. But there you go, guys. Don't forget, use the coupon code ZEV15, get your 15% off. Place an order now. Hopefully you'll get it before Christmas or New Year's. But yeah, we appreciate it. Hope you guys enjoy this accessory as much as I do. It's super strong. And stay tuned for a video that Tim will release of him using this Magbak in his 2024 Model 3 Performance at the track, just like we did before. And hopefully he won't lose his phone shooting out the window if he goes off track. But yeah, this thing is crazy strong. So appreciate it. Thanks, Magbak. We appreciate your support. And I hope you guys all have a happy holiday. We'll see you on the next one.